We got this new door card in. It can hold 4 doors on it. We got this for the Rubicon. It's made by POFENZE. Nice solid steel construction. It is powder coated and stainless hardware on it. It can hold 4 doors. You can put your front and your backs on there. Right now I've got 4 front doors on it because I got the Safari doors and the ones that come on the Jeep. So I'm actually just swapping right now in between the Safari doors and our standard doors because it's raining. So we're gonna be throwing together this POFENZE door rack for a Jeep Wrangler. First thing I notice, as you can see, basically it's set up so that these are like the same mounts that are on your Jeep. So you can just set the doors on here so you don't set them to the side, you get them all scratched up, anything like that. They'll be on this nice rack. It is, this is steel. Looks pretty solid construction. As you can see, it's welded. They got tabs going in here between the uprights and the horizontal bars there for strength. It's coated in something like powder coating. I mean, it feels very, very tough, very resilient. So it looks like it's a pretty high quality one. This one's available on Amazon. They'll ship it right to you, which is nice because it's big and it's heavy. So that free Amazon shipping helps out. They give you casters, stainless hardware, which is going to be nice because this one's going to be outside sometimes. Instructions, which seems like it should be involved in everything, but in a lot of these packages that you get on Amazon, you don't get instructions. So got the instructions there and some different support pieces and stuff. So we're going to go ahead and put this together. I'm going to throw the doors from the Jeep on it. I just picked up this new Rubicon and I don't want the doors just sitting around, so I'm going to put them on this cart. It also comes with covers for the doors, so you can put the doors on the rack, cover them up, and then set them to the side so you won't have to worry about the doors getting all scratched up or anything. So let's go ahead and put this together, see how it works. And if you want one of these, we'll put the link down below in the comments. We'll also put the link in the description so you can pick up one of these if this is something that you want for your Jeep. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to basically assemble the square. So just line up a hole, slide these in. So we're going to be putting those casters on. I'm going to assemble it on top of the box here so that it's up off the ground. Casters are going in these outer holes here, sort of the one outside of the vertical bar. So these are going on with the M10 hardware, that's the bigger stuff here. Flat washer, lock washer goes on top. And then one of the acorns. So on each one of these, you got an Allen bolt going through, a washer on the top, flat washer and lock washer on the bottom, and one of these nuts. Then you're going to use the Allen wrench on the top and a wrench on the bottom to hold it and tighten these up. That side's done, then we gotta flip it around to the other side.
Okay, I'll just
So we're putting on these limiting blocks. You also get these foam pads. These are not in the instructions, but by the size and shape, I'm guessing those go directly right there on the limiting block, so your door's sitting against that foam. I'm gonna leave these loose during this part until we actually put the doors on, because they do have the ability to slide on the bottom built in. So I'm guessing when you put your doors on, find the right location for them and then tighten them up. So that's what we're gonna do. So we got this one fully assembled now, nice and sturdy, good hardware, solid steel, rolls around easy. We're gonna throw some doors on it and see how it works. So this is a pretty cool door cart right here. You can fit all 4 doors on it. This one's made by POFENZE. You can also roll it around. It's got casters on it, locks on it. It's got a cover for it. So you can pull the doors off, throw them on the rack, and then just roll them away for storage. I got the Safari doors on there right now. Gonna swap those so I can actually put those on this rack as well, and then put our regular doors back on. So it works really well. If you need a cart like this, we'll put a link down below.